Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Progenity Inc. As you can see, there has already been a movement of 40% plus 6% additional to that. So there is a good move, and even in the past 1 month or 6 months, or even Y to date, this stock is showing some good performance. Now let's see what's impacting this performance. Yeah, so this is the latest one as I can see over here. So, so the stock went up and highly volatile retail favorites in the. There is nothing. Let me open this one and let's see. So what happened at the time of its IPO being offered? This biotechnology company went for $13 a share, and the stock has been highly volatile because it is a retail investor favorite. So this is about the price movement. So now in the second line is less than a month that Progenity has taken off on a short squeezed fueled frenzy, and the company which had consistent prenatal testing revenue prior to the pandemic has largely shelved that side of the business to focus on developing on its innovation pipeline, including its precludia test that rules out preeclampsia. So this is all about what they have done. Now, since that last run, Progenity reported third quarter earnings on November 10th, and it has only 182,000 in revenue and net loss of $43.7 million, right? And those numbers were an improvement from the $52,000 in revenue and a net loss of $47 million it reported in the same year a year ago. But the company seems to be a long way from making a profit. Now, this is what the company is currently factoring in, and there are two key points. The company is in the midst of changing its focus and tightening its expenditure, and the stock rose on an attempted short squeeze for the second time in less than a month. Now, understand one thing. If you are talking about fundamental, let me tell you one thing. Now, what's the difference between when you're comparing $43.7 million loss and previously $47 million loss, right? Obviously, if you're looking at the number is less compared to previous year, but it is indeed a loss. So you can calculate. Last time I made a loss of $47 million. Now this time I made an additional loss of $43.7 million. So this is the way one perceive number, okay? Because obviously uh, this is the thing which we need to understand in the market. This is just for the sake of information. Let's go to the chart and let's see what's happening over there. Now, as far as the Progenity stock is concerned, the stock indeed makes a breakout over here. Okay, so there is a breakout that has happened in this particular stock. So there are important levels which one need to look at as far as the downside is concerned. So what we have here, and there is a double bottom. So 1, 2. So what we have here is your stop loss at 2.1, 2.91, and $4 will be your immediate support. If it continues to sustain above $4, you have couple of levels to look at on the upside. Let me show it to you. So you have these 3 or 4 levels to look at, starting with 5.25, then you have 7.87, and the upper end of the range is in between 9.9 and $11. So these are all the ranges that we are looking at in the upcoming days and weeks if it sustains above $4 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.